Welcome to Keeprix. This video will help you learn how to download Amazon Prime Video from Keeprix Video Downloader. Keeprix Video Downloader supports two download methods. Download Amazon Prime Video via built-in browser and download Amazon Prime Video via link. The first one, download Amazon Prime Video via built-in browser. Firstly, click Amazon. The software automatically enters the Amazon downloader page. Sign in to the member account according to the prompts, and then enter the Amazon downloader homepage. Find the video you want to download. Take the Rings of Power as an example. Click the video. Click the download button, and then the software will analyze the video. After the analysis is successful, enter the download settings page, where you can set the downloaded settings, such as resolution, video language, subtitle, and output path. Click Download. The software automatically downloads the video. You can view the progress of the video download. Start all, pause all, cancel all. The second method is download Amazon Prime Video via link. First, you need to paste the URL of the video to be downloaded. Since you have logged into the Amazon member account before, the software will automatically jump to the video download page. Click Download. Analyze the video. Download the video. The software automatically downloads the video. You can click the completed page to view and manage the downloaded videos. Open the folder. Delete the records, clear all records,